I have some reflections about Week 11's discussion board in which you compared and contrasted two articles. Well, Mayra believes that transparency would reduce corruption. And so I Googled it, and I found an article regarding that very issue. I'm going to pause and let you read the abstract. However, they did find that transparency is the tool to reduce corruption. Now, Faisal has another take. I would agree that if I think that Fort Hays State University has the students' best interest in mind, I'll enjoy working there. And indeed, I do believe that. Now, Karen signs off for both ambiguity and deception, but only in the context of strategic communication. Mike has a different take. Well, the question is, how do you get all that information out in the open? These are some of the ways that you've seen your businesses getting information out in the open. And training is indeed one way of communication. Katerina looks at benefiting the whole. Now, I'm choosing Koch Industries because it's a well-known Kansas business. Forget about the politics. This is a quote. And here is ExxonMobil. They visualize it. Their idea of sustainability for society is both social, economic, and the environment, of course. And within each, they have categories. Kaylin argues for bringing the issues to light, for transparency. And again, she also agrees with Mayra about reducing corruption. Well, those are some of my reflections about Week 11. Thank you.